You might be wondering if your Instagram account is being used on several devices or not. Maybe you have logged in on a device and you forgot to log out, or maybe generally you're just wondering how many devices have access to your Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find out how many devices have access to your account and how you can log out of all of them. What you want to do is head over to settings on your Instagram account and tap on Account Center. And from this list, you're going to choose password and security. And then one of the options says where you're logged in. So if I tap on that, I'm going to choose my Instagram account, the one that I want to know how many devices have access to. And from here, I can see that there are two devices, and one is the iPhone that I'm holding in my hand, and the other one is a Windows session. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on select devices to log out. If there are more devices, you will have a list and you could select all of them and just log out of all of them instantly. Here it says I have just one, so I'm going to tap on that. Before doing that, as you can see, there is the select all option, which if I tap, I can just select all of them at once and then choose log out. Are you sure? Yes, log out. And just like that, my Instagram account has been removed from that device. And if they want to log in, they need to have my password. And if you want to make sure that they can't log in anymore, going the same direction, again, you're going to choose password and security. And this time you're going to choose change password by entering your password and, like your current password and your new password and retyping it. You can change your password so nobody can have access to your Instagram. I hope that helps, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.